Hey, my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, my humble self is RosesGlam, and on today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how I achieved this beautiful eye makeup look using RosesGlam makeup eyeshadow palette. If you can remember in my previous video, I said I'm going to be showing you all these makeup I done previously, just that I've not had time to edit them. It's been a while. I did the makeup, and yeah, I've been choked with a lot of things going on around. Like, if you remember, I told you guys that we are moving. So if you've moved house before, even from one community to another, you know how difficult it is, not to talk of moving to another country. So it has been hectic, coupled with work, kids, and all that. Okay, nevertheless, this makeup, they've been done all along, and I've never had time to edit them. So, and I keep repeating myself. I told you all that I will be bringing it up to you. So this is one of the makeup I did previously, so I decided to find time to edit it and bring it up to you guys. Okay, I didn't explain what I've done so far because it's my normal routine. If you watch my makeup videos, you see that this is what I usually do. My eyebrow, though I have done a video of how I do my eyebrows and stuff like that. Yeah, so I started doing my eyebrow using the first thing I show you is our eyebrow gel. I use it to kind of laminate my eyebrow before I go ahead to fill it in with eyebrow pencil, and afterwards I go ahead to to define it using uh Elegel? No, I use P. Louis Remo 03 in the shade of Remo 03 underneath my eyebrow, and I use a Revolution Pro full coverage camouflage concealer in the shade of C13. So that was what I used above the eyebrow. Yeah, that is all about the eyebrow. If you want to know more about the how I do my eyebrow, you'll see the link that pop up there. Just take a look at it. I'm sure you're going to love that video. Just visit, okay? So that is all about the eyebrow. Go ahead to primer eyelid. Use whatever primer that you're using, is good for you. So after then I go ahead to using the mix the two highlight right two highlight I used. I mixed two of them, use it to highlight my eyelid before I go ahead. And yes, this is our palette, Roses Glam palette. Okay, this palette is amazing. If you've not grab yours, do visit our website. I'm so sorry. Let me use this opportunity to apologize to those who try to place order. Unfortunately, they were having issues. I explained to them that the website was still under construction. I mean, we kind of revamp the whole of the website. So at the time you guys visited, it was still under construction. That was why, but now everything has been sorted out, is working fully. Feel free to visit the websites. You're going to get whatever you like there. Okay, sorry, I start off with the shade of plum. That was what I use, as my base. I started off, as you can see, I didn't just waste time, just a little. What I would advise when you're using this palette, don't just pack full of it in the brush. Is going to be a lot, and you blend it. If you are not a makeup artist, or if you don't know how to blend it, it's going to be difficult for you. So I would suggest that you take it slowly and build it up as you progress. Okay, so afterwards I go ahead using the shade Belgian chocolate. Okay, that was what I used at the uh, uh sorry, that was what I used at the grease corner there. I kind of try as much, like I said, build it up, taking it a little by little until I get the density I want before I go ahead to use my blending brush to brush it off. Okay, then yeah, I go ahead to cut my crease. Somebody asked me last time on my makeup video I posted last time that I should make a video of how to cut crease. I promise the next video that is going to come up, not this second next video, because the next video that is going to come up is going to be unboxing. Okay, then the next one I'm going to do the video of that crease cutting. Okay, So please pardon me. So after then, the shade I use at the place I called crease is called Roses. Okay, that was what I used there. I, as usual, build it up until I get the density I want. And when you are doing it, just tap. Don't brush it. Okay, because you put crease. You highlight that place. That place is still kind of tacky. You don't want to mess it up. Okay, you just tap it until you get it. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll go ahead to blend it up. I'm going to show you guys something. Okay, but after then, the next shade I use at the tear dot is called Come Get It. Okay, so I put it there, and yeah, that was it. I go ahead to blend it. When you see me, you see that I'm blending. I'm using a very soft brush, and when you look at it closely, you'll find out that there is a demarcation between the two shade. That is what you try to avoid when you are applying your makeup. Okay, try as much as possible to blend it seamlessly so that nobody will see that. This is it. The transition has to be very smooth, whereby they won't dictate where each of the shade start from. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with my eyelid. I go ahead at the waterline using the plum. Afterwards, I go ahead using Fiesta to wrap it up. Okay, that is how I get this beautiful eye makeup. Please don't mind me. Okay, the kids are kind of all over, so I'm trying as much as possible to control them while I'm doing this. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I go ahead using the shade called Gold Mine at the brow bone. Okay, put it, and yeah, I'm done. So I go ahead using the setting spray because my face is a bit kind of dry. I use the setting spray to soften the surface of the face. Okay, while I let it dry, I go ahead to apply my eyeliner. So since I've moisturized my face before I start my eye makeup and my eyebrow, what I did was after then I go ahead using the ordinary high adherence silicone face primer. I use it to prime my face, and after then I go ahead using the concealer to conceal the dark spot I have, because I have a lot of pigmentation coming from pimples. Okay, I use it to conceal them, and yeah, go ahead to blend it a bit before I go ahead using my foundation. And the foundation I use is Urban Decay. Okay, it's just finished, so I don't want to throw the bottle. I want to make use of everything. Don't mind me. That was why you see me using the stick to apply it on the face. Okay, so I go ahead to blend it off using beauty blender to blend it, and afterwards I go ahead to apply my highlighter. So what you see me doing here is I have this cheeker color that I've not used since I got it, so I decided to try it on. So I use this. It's not powderish. Okay, that was why you saw me using that stick to take it. So when I'm done, I use a little brush to blend it and see how it goes. As you can see, so yeah, I will go ahead to contour the whole face. Okay. You got to be, she could never say I'm sorry. So while I wait for the setting powder to set in, I go ahead using RosesGlam 2-in-1 lip color matte lipstick and lip gloss mysterious to apply on the lips. I'm sorry about that. I'm first of all using the lip gloss to kind of soften it a bit because I don't want it to be matte. Okay, so afterwards I go ahead using the pencil. The shade I'm using is called the Rosewood. Okay, I use it to apply on the lips to get the appropriate line, and use a lip brush to blend it before I go ahead to apply the lip color. So lovelies, if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So when I'm done with the lip color, I go ahead using powder brush to brush off the setting powder and go ahead to apply my lashes because it's the last thing apply. Okay, and what I'm using today, the glue I'm using is one of our accessories, is a lash glue 2-in-1. You can use it for eyeliner and your glue as well. So, and the twist I'm using is also from RosesGlam. That is what I use to put it. Afterwards I go ahead to apply my mascara. I usually advise, if you're a beginner, make sure that you apply your mascara before you go ahead to put your lashes. Okay, so yes, I'm done. This is it. I know I'm talking too much. So how do you all see this? If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Leave your comments at the comment section. I would love to read your comments, and if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing for more interesting video. I do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't unsubscribe, please. Thank you and bye for now. I love you all. Ciao.